Hello, and welcome to Easy Story Studio. I am very happy to have you here today. Look at your life right now. You are watching this video. You want something better for yourself. You want to learn English. Today, we are going to talk about this journey. We are going to talk about the motivation to learn English. It is a big topic. It is an important topic. Many people start learning, but they stop. They feel tired. They feel afraid. Today, we will change that. We will light a fire inside you. I want you to listen carefully. Get ready to change your mind, because today, your real English journey begins. Let us start. I want to ask you a simple question. Why are you here? Why do you want to learn English? Maybe you think it is just a school subject. Maybe you think it is just a long list of new words. Maybe you think it is only rules and grammar, but it is not. English is a tool. It is the strongest tool in the world. When you learn English, you do not just memorize grammar. You change your brain. You change your life. Your brain becomes faster. Your brain becomes stronger. Learning a new language is like going to the gym. It's a workout for your mind. You lift heavy weights with every new word. You run a long way with every new sentence. Over time, you become very smart. You become quick, and you open a massive door, a door to the whole world. The world is very big. There are billions of people, and English is the bridge between all of them. So, be happy for yourself today. You made the first step. You decided to learn. This is a brave choice.
I will tell you the truth. The journey is not easy. It is hard. Learning English is like climbing a very tall mountain. You stand at the bottom, you look up, the top is very high. It looks impossible. You take your first step. You learn the letters. You learn how to say hello and goodbye. It is easy. You feel good. You take more steps. Then it gets harder. The grammar is strange. The spelling is very difficult. Some words look the same but sound different. Your legs feel tired. Your mind feels heavy. You sit down on the mountain path. You think, I cannot do this. It is too hard. I want to go back down to the bottom. I want to stop. Many people go back down. They stop learning. They quit. But you must not quit. When you feel tired, do not look up at the top. Look down. Look at how far you have climbed. Last week, you did not know those 10 words. Today, you know them. Last month, you could not read that simple sentence. Today, you can. You were making real progress. Every small step takes you higher. You must keep walking. Even if you walk slowly, you are going up. You will reach the top. And when you reach the top, the view is beautiful. You will see the whole world. Let us talk about this beautiful view. Let us talk about what English gives you. First, English gives you freedom. Think about traveling. Imagine you are going on a trip. You fly to a new country. You land at a big airport in Tokyo or Rome or Dubai. You do not speak the local language. You feel a little lost. The airport is huge. There are thousands of people. But look at the big signs on the wall. Under the local language, there is always English. English is your safe place. You need to find your bag. You ask a worker, "Excuse me, where are the bags?" They point the way. You understand. You find your bag. You need to take a taxi to your hotel. You tell the driver, "Please take me to this address." You arrive safely. Later, you go to a restaurant. You're very hungry. The menu is in a language you cannot read, but there is an English menu. You read it, you understand it. You see the word chicken. You see the word rice. You see salad. You say, "I will have the chicken, please." The waiter smiles. You get your food. You sit there in a strange city, eating good food, feeling completely safe. Why? Because you speak English. You can ask for directions to the museum. You can ask for a good cafe. The local people will help you. You will smile, they will smile. You are not afraid to travel. You travel alone without fear. The world becomes your home.
Now, think about your work. Think about your job. You want a good job. You want a better salary. You want to buy nice things for your family. In the modern world, business is everywhere. Companies do not just work in one city, they work across the oceans. They need people who can talk to the world. Imagine a job interview. There are two people. They finished the same school. They have the same skills. But one person speaks English and the other person does not speak English. Who gets the job? The person who speaks English gets the job. Every time. With English, you are very valuable. You can read emails from other countries. You can write reports for the big team. You can sit in a meeting with people from Germany, Japan, and Brazil. They all speak English to each other. You speak and they listen. You can understand the international market. You can solve big problems. You become a leader. A leader must communicate well. Your boss sees your good work. You get the new job. You earn more money. English changes your future life. It opens doors to big global companies. You do not have to work only in your hometown. You can work anywhere. You can work online for a company far away. English is the key to good money and a strong career. Let us look at another great power, the power of information. We live in the internet age. If you have a mobile phone, you have a big library in your pocket. But there is a secret about this library. Most of the best books, the best articles, and the best videos are in English. Imagine you want to learn a new skill. You want to learn how to make computer programs. You want to start a small business. You want to learn how to fix your car. You go to Google. You go to YouTube. If you search in your first language, you will find some information. But if you search in English, you will find everything. You will find videos from very smart people. You will read the newest news. If there is a new discovery in science, it is written in English first. If there is a new phone or computer, the manual is in English. By learning English, you get the information directly. You do not have to wait for someone to translate it. You can learn anything you want. You become a student of the world. No one can stop you from learning because you hold the key.
And what about fun? We all need fun in our lives. We love movies. We love music. We love good stories. Hollywood makes the biggest movies in the world. The most famous singers sing their songs in English. When you do not know English, you have to read subtitles. You watch a great action movie, but you look at the bottom of the screen. You read the text quickly. You miss the actor's face. You miss the beautiful action. You do not hear the real emotion in the actor's voice. The voice is changed. It is not the same. But when you learn English, you throw the subtitles away. You look at the center of the screen. You hear the true voice of the actor. The joke is much funnier. The sad moment is much sadder. You feel the real movie. And think about music. You listen to a beautiful song. You like the sound. You dance to the beat. But do you know the story? The singer is telling a story. When you know English, you hear the words. You understand the message. You sing loudly in your car. The music hits your heart in a new way. You can read famous books with their real words. Fun becomes richer and much better. But the most beautiful thing about English is the people. The world is full of amazing people. They have different food, different cultures, and different ideas. If you only speak your first language, you can only talk to people from your country. That is a small circle. English makes the circle big. Imagine you are sitting in a coffee shop in another country. You meet a person from a different continent. You do not speak their language. They do not speak yours, but you both speak English. You start to talk. You talk about your families. You talk about your dreams. You talk about your favorite sports. You talk about the weather. You talk about your past. You build real trust. You laugh together. You share a cup of coffee. In 1 hour, a stranger becomes a good friend. You learn that people are the same everywhere. We all want to be happy. We all love our families. English helps us see this. It breaks down the high walls between countries. It brings human hearts together.
You build a big group of friends around the globe. This is a very powerful thing.
So, why do some people fail to learn this wonderful language? I will tell you. It is because of fear. People are afraid. They're afraid to make big mistakes. They think, if I speak, I will sound stupid. I will say the wrong word. My grammar will be bad. People will point and laugh at me. Listen to me very carefully now. Nobody will laugh at you. Only bad people laugh. Good people want to understand you. Good people respect you because you are trying to speak a second language. That is very difficult work. Do not try to be perfect. Perfection is not real. It is a fake idea. Native speakers make mistakes every single day. They use the wrong grammar. They forget simple words. If they make mistakes, you can make mistakes too. English is just a tool. If I use a hammer and the hammer is ugly, does it matter? No. It only matters if the hammer can hit the nail into the wood. If you say a wrong word, but the person understands your message, you win. The goal is connection, not perfection. When you try, you are already better than the person who does nothing. The person sitting on the sofa learns nothing. You are working hard. And stop comparing yourself to other people. Do not look at the person who speaks perfectly and feels sad. You are on your own road. Compare yourself only to you. Are you better today than you were yesterday? Do you know one more word? If yes, you are a success. Smile at your mistakes. Mistakes show that you are trying. How do you reach this success? You need daily habits. Motivation is good. Motivation makes you start today, but a daily habit keeps you going tomorrow and the next day. You cannot learn English by studying for 10 hours on Sunday and doing nothing for the rest of the week. Your brain does not work like that. You must study a little bit every day. Doing it every day is the secret. 20 minutes a day, that is all you need to start. Everyone has 20 minutes. Do not say you are too busy. You have time. Wake up 20 minutes early, or study 20 minutes before you sleep in your bed. In these 20 minutes, focus your mind completely. Learn 5 new words, read 1 short story, listen to 1 small audio track. 5 words a day is 35 words a week. It is about 150 words a month. In 1 year, you will know almost 2,000 words. With 2,000 words, you can have a long conversation about almost anything. This is the power of small steps. Do not break the chain. Do it every day without stopping. You must also change your daily environment. You must live inside English. You cannot just visit English for 20 minutes and then close the door. Bring English into your everyday life. Take your mobile phone right now. Go to the menu. Change the language to English. Yes, it will be hard for a few days, but very soon your brain will learn. You will learn words like save, delete, share, and call without studying them in a book. Change the language on your computer. When you drive your car to work, stop listening to the local radio. Put on an English audio lesson. Listen to simple English news. When you clean your house, put on English music. Watch YouTube in English. Follow English speakers on your phone. Read their photos. Write small words in English. Say, "Great video," or "I agree." You must put yourself in the sound of the language. Babies learn to speak because they listen all day. They do not read heavy grammar books. They listen to their mothers and fathers. You must listen to English all day. Let the words fall on your ears. Even if you do not understand every word, your brain is learning the rhythm. Your brain is learning the melody. Over time, the loud noise will become clear words.
Finally, you must be patient.
I told you about the tall mountain. Now I will tell you about a tree. A new language is like a big tree. You plant a very small seed in the dirt. You put water on it. You wait. The first day, nothing happens. The second day, nothing happens. A whole week passes, and you see absolutely nothing. Many people get angry here. They stop giving water. The seed dies in the ground. But if you have patience, you keep giving water. Deep under the dirt, roots are growing in the dark. Then, one day, a tiny green plant comes out of the earth. It is very small. The wind can push it down, but you keep giving water. Days turn into months. Months turn into years. The plant becomes a strong, giant tree. The strong wind cannot break it. It has very deep roots. Your English journey is exactly like this tree. Right now, you are planting the small seed. You are giving it water with your daily 20 minutes of practice. You might not see big changes tomorrow. You might feel sad or angry. But trust the time. Keep giving it water. Keep practicing. The roots are growing deep inside your brain. One day, you will open your mouth and the English words will flow out easily. You will be strong like the big tree. The tree gives you fruit. The fruit is your success. You can share this success with your family. So start planting your seed today. Do not wait for tomorrow. The time will pass anyway. In 1 year, you will be 1 year older. Make sure that in 1 year, you are also 1 year smarter. Learn English. Change your world. Thank you for listening today. Remember, English is not just a language. It is your key to the whole world. It is the key to new friends, new jobs, and new ideas. The journey is long, but every step makes you stronger. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Plant your seed today. Give it water every day and watch your beautiful tree grow. If this video helped you feel motivated, please like, comment, and subscribe to Easy Story Studio. We are here to help you learn and grow every single day. Keep going and never give up.